This is Lenovo IdeaPad Duet Chromebook review. This Chromebook can easily be considered one of the biggest surprises of 2020, at least if it comes to the two-in-one laptop market. This tablet laptop hybrid packs a lot of functionality, portability, and longevity into its tiny frame, so despite its flaws, it is still a very good value. The Lenovo IdeaPad Duet Chromebook may be what you need if you are a Chromebook skeptic. As one of the few two-in-one laptop hybrids on the market for 2020, the Lenovo IdeaPad Duet Chromebook strikes the perfect balance between portability, functionality, durability, and most importantly, affordability. Google's Chrome OS packed into a 10-inch tablet with keyboard makes the Duet one of the best two-in-one laptops we have seen recently. On average, Chromebooks get about 10 hours of use before they require a recharge, but the Lenovo Duet lasted nearly half a day of looped HD video. With its long battery life, the Lenovo Duet provides users with full access to the Android app ecosystem on top of all the Google apps built into Chrome OS. Even with this benefit, the Duet still has more to offer on the software front than its competitors. When it comes to Chromebooks and two-in-one laptops, this is the best value you can find in a portable device of this kind. It is the physical embodiment of a touchscreen's compact, virtual keyboard, so it will take some practice to use it correctly. It is unfortunate that this will be difficult for most users accustomed to full-sized keyboards, and it may even be impossible for some. It lacks the responsiveness of a traditional laptop's touchpad, which are already challenging widgets to begin with, so its flaws become even more apparent. The other main issue we have with the Duet is its magnetic kickstand cover and keyboard. Both are held in place solely by magnets, which means they will often pull apart during normal use. Aside from these issues, Lenovo offers both a kickstand cover and keyboard, unlike the Microsoft Surface Go 2. In terms of audio quality, you will probably need headphones in order to get satisfactory results. As the Lenovo Duet only has a single USB-C port, you will need the provided USB-C adapter in order to utilize standard headphones. Lenovo IdeaPad Duet Chromebook is available for an astonishingly low price of $279, about £225/405 Australian dollars. The Lenovo IdeaPad Duet Chromebook has several design shortcomings. For some people, the biggest problem with the Lenovo IdeaPad Duet Chromebook is its small keyboard and, to a lesser extent, the inefficient trackpad. As for the trackpad, it is comparatively sluggish and can even be lifeless at times. As for the keyboard, it is surrounded by a smaller space, which results in the keys being packed in very tightly. On the surface, the Duet is attractive, as it is almost entirely devoid of ports and buttons along the sides. The 10-inch FHD, 1920 by 1200, IPS display is bright and colorful, and the Chrome OS user interface is simple to use. This tablet includes two cameras, one forward-facing, 2 megapixel, and one backward-facing, 8 megapixel. Both cameras provide excellent picture quality, and the forward-facing camera surpasses just about every integrated laptop webcam on the market. Moreover, the kickstand panel on the Duet's outward-facing side features a fabric cover that gives the device a more appealing look than the silicone or faux leather finish of other tablet cases, or the hard plastic finish of a laptop. It is not a gaming laptop, but if you can play it on your phone or tablet, you can play it on the Duet just as well. Despite that, the Duet far surpassed the Chromebook average with a total time of 21 hours, 29 minutes. Since the lighter CPU and GPU consume less energy than an Intel or AMD processor, the Duet's battery lasts much longer than that of other laptops. On the software front, the Duet comes out ahead of the Surface Go 2, which is restricted to the less popular Microsoft Store, which has a very slim selection. The Duet is excited about the implementation of a Linux virtual machine in Chrome OS, which is available in beta on the Duet. As a result, an even larger portion of the Linux software ecosystem can be included in the mix, which for many is one of its strongest points.